Have you ever been involved in an accident and then found out after the fact that you have to pay your health insurance back out of your settlement proceeds? Is this legal? Usually it is. Watch this video to find out why. Hi, this is Barry from the LawFull channel. On this channel, you're going to find short videos on legal topics that affect your life. If you're new here, consider subscribing and check out the show notes in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can. Have you been involved in an accident and then a few weeks after your medical treatment, you've received a letter from your insurance company saying they're filing a lien against your recovery and that they want to get reimbursed for the medical bills they paid on your behalf? Liens arise in most personal injury cases. So where do they get the authority to come after you for reimbursement? It's a matter of contract law. When you signed your insurance contract, you agreed to pay your health insurance company back for any bills that were caused by a third-party defendant, meaning the responsible party. Ironically, this doesn't apply when you're at fault for the accident, or if nobody's at fault for the accident. It only comes up when a third party has caused your injuries. One thing for sure is, health insurance liens can definitely complicate a case. There may not be enough money to pay the lien out of the settlement proceeds. And if there is enough money, there may not be much to compensate you for your damages after your health insurance company is paid back. The good news is, oftentimes your health insurance company will negotiate the amount of the balance with you. And some states have statutes or laws that dictate how much a health insurance company can recover from your settlement. Now, there are some insurance policies where the health insurance company is not required to negotiate with you at all. These are often called self-funded ERISA plans. These ERISA plans can be really difficult to negotiate with, although we've had luck recently getting those liens down as well. Maybe you have health insurance through Medicare or Medicaid. No surprise, but you have to pay them back for your medical bills as well. Dealing with Medicare or Medicaid is a whole different problem. One thing that I can guarantee you is that if you are dealing with them, your case is going to take a long time to resolve. So what happens if you refuse to respond to your health insurance company's questionnaire? Well, they could refuse to pay for your medical bills, leaving you to pay for everything out of pocket. Or you could be thinking, hey, at the end of the case, if I'm not going to recover very much out of my settlement, I'm just not going to settle at all, leaving the insurance company without any recourse. Unfortunately, that's incorrect. The insurance company usually has the right to subrogate. Subrogation means they get to step in your shoes and go after the third party for the medical bills they paid on your behalf. So it's much better to negotiate with your insurance company than it is to avoid the situation altogether. In most situations, you're going to be able to find a mutual resolution. Okay, it's time for your take on the law. Have you ever been involved in an accident and your health insurance company filed a lien against your case? How did it turn out? Were you able to negotiate with the insurance company? Tell us about it in the comments below. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more videos on legal topics like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me. If I can't help you, I'll find someone who can.